Zhongtuo cold bending slitting line successfully tested in Brazil, opening a new chapter of international cooperation. Recently, the slitting line carefully built the Zhongtuo cold bending for Ming Equipment SEO Limited for Brazilian customers has successfully completed the test in the Brazilian customer's factory. All performance indicators have reached or even exceeded expectations. This achievement marks that Zhongtuo cold bending has taken another solid step in the international market. The slitting line delivered to Brazilian customers this time can process plates with a thickness of 3 mm and a width of 600 mm with a running speed of up to 60 meters per minute. The efficient production capacity can fully meet the needs of Brazilian customers for large-scale production. In the process of equipment manufactured, Zhongtuo cold bending has strictly controlled every production link with its rich industry experience and advanced technology, from the careful selection of raw materials to the precision processing of parts to the assembly and commissioning of the whole machine. All of them embody the wisdom and sweat of the Zhongtuo cold bending team.